my sad boy. I was riding around the motherfucking Jab boys. Where you at, boy? The little chopper make a loud noise. I just fucking around to find a bigger bag. I don't just rap, feed them land like it's snacks. Thumbing through them hundreds, need a fast. On the FN with a drum attached. When you talk about me, speak fast. No said, I don't want the crumbs, I need the bread. Hold on, that nigga junkie need a mess. Go long, 6 more figures, so I touch the end zone. Fucking with my head like we playing in the dome. I don't want your lust, I like the way the 9 millies buzz. Nigga 40 pounds, can't handle 4 or 5 rounds. He and my dog, cross me once, we gon' put them all down. I done ran on my chicken like a nigga, we got crowns.
Niggas steady hating, that's why I don't keep them around. You can't get a feature, I don't like the way you sound. Gang with me, I don't really like to stick in crowds. Stay to myself, I don't really keep around. Always win first, I can't do no fucking rounds. Fat nigga, all I been worried is about my pounds. Bitch, keep nagging, I don't like the way you shout. Steady worried about my past, I'ma show you now. Getting all this chicken, you might think I work at Crowns. Even when I ain't up, my sinners hold me down. All that makeup on your face, I confuse you for a clown. Bitch a little dirty, I think she needs some shout.
Tell a little bitch, pipe down. Heard around the street, yeah. Passed around, smoking on this loud. What? Drip or drown, beat another face. Yeah. Chris Brown, look, I ain't doing too much, but saw a birdie other day, yeah, she was birding. Sorry, busting plays and yeah, we was flirting. But I could never get enough. Feel the pump in your blood when you get a little tough. Defend your tile like a champ. Then you get in the ring, yeah, we do a lot of things. Like so into people who don't think you tough. Pull on the block and they show that you buff. But I've been working on myself. Ducking chicken in the cops, Gabriel pulled up with the box. I ain't talking no video games, I'm just talking about the crowns. Yeah, you know we get down. Yeah, suplex, yeah, that's my weak flex. Every Friday, yeah, I get my East check. When the weekend hit, yeah, it's a celebration. Yeah, it's a SINKID dedication.